RC Racing Innovations here. Another video on the Black Widow Pro Stock drag bike. This is the servo slash receiver plate mount. This is what you're going to want to assemble first. We discussed the top plate and mounting the servo in the first video. Here's what it's going to look like after you mount the receiver plate. You're going to have two standoffs there. There's your receiver plate bottom. And most receivers are going to drop right in. Now you're going to have some left and right room, as you see there. You can slide it left and right. That is going to be where you could use for balancing. Because with a drag bike, you don't have a guy on it that's going to balance the bike to keep it up. They balance and sit flat on their own, but you want the bike balanced as perfect as possible. We're going to go more into that in another video. So this is just another component that you can move to the left or to the right to add some more balance to it. So we're going to go out on that. This is the Black Widow Pro Stock drag bike. This is the servo slash receiver recess plate. We're out.